Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council's Chief Executive Member Jhadc expressed unhappiness over the derogatory remarks made by certain individuals against the Executive Committee of the Council, labeling them as beggars for occasionally seeking assistance and support from the government. Jhadc said that this during the inauguration of the new additional building office of the Jhadc on Tuesday. Reacting to the remarks, Jhadc asserted that they merely demanding their rightful shares and entitlements to address the issue of pending salaries for Jhadc employees. The building was constructed at a cost of Rs 3 crore and 38 lakh and was made possible through the MDC scheme and financial support from the central grant of 2018 to 2019, 2019 to 2020 and 2020 to 2021.
You were born in your land.
The Hamara Sankalp